Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm back for Squid Game Season 1, Episode 2. I watched this morning the Episode 1. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. I'm really excited, like I want to speak, but my words are faster into my mind than into my mouth. I didn't plan at first to film a new episode today. Okay, I'm gonna take my time to watch all of the episodes and all. And in fact, you know, I had a family brunch because it was my brother's birthday. And I spent all of my time thinking about the show and thinking about how to put it into my schedule and thinking about what I could do for Patreon and what I could do for YouTube and thinking of how I was gonna organize all of my week for watching the show, for editing the reaction videos, for publishing them so you would have them really early and all. Like, if I'm spending so many time thinking about it into my mind when it's a family reunion and I'm having a good time with my family, but I'm thinking about it because I'm so excited about the show that I want to discover it. I don't want to have any spoilers and I want to give you the reaction videos really quick because I want to share that with you guys. In just one episode, I'm into it. That's it. Like, if I did that today and if I'm right there with you to watch the second episode, even if I didn't plan that, and you know it's the end also of the day, so I'm not sure that we're gonna finish the episode or at least the review with the lights. Maybe I'm gonna be forced to put my light on, you know, the yellow light, and it's gonna be bad for the picture, but I don't care. I want to watch the second episode today. I'm really excited about it. That's it. So for the planning, for the schedule, I'm gonna post 3 episodes each week. I saw that we have 9 episodes for this season 1, so I'm gonna put 3 episodes each week, I think on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and because of that we're gonna spend 3 weeks together watching this show, watching all of the episodes. I can't organize myself in another way, you know. I've already a schedule for The Walking Dead, The Legend of Korra, Avatar: The Last Airbender, and also Death Note, so I don't want to change that because people who are following me on my channel for these shows, they already had to wait a lot because of La Casa de Papel, you know, the last season which was out. I already had to disturb a lot that schedule, so I don't want them to have to wait another week, entire week, to have news, you know, about these shows. They already waited 2 weeks for some of these shows to have the new episodes about it. So I'm really gonna put Squid Game in addition of the shows that I'm already reacting to. So it's gonna be a lot of work for me. I think that I'm gonna spend my nights working on it, but you know what? I'm okay with it. Really, today I thought about it, about how I was gonna organize all of that, and I was okay with it. I was like, you can do it and it's gonna be so fun and all. In just one episode, they got me. Okay, for this intro I'm gonna try to be fast. If you know me, you know that my intros normally are really long. I'm gonna try to be fast for the lights. I already love this show, I'm already excited about it, as you can see how fast I'm talking, but also how already I'm organizing all of my schedules and my planning of the week for this show. I don't love characters yet. I'm not sure that it's gonna be a show like that for me, we'll see. If I can get attached to some characters, you know that if it's happening, it's gonna be bad, good. It depends on the way that you're seeing it. You know that I'm an emotional person, so if I'm getting attached to some characters, it's gonna get complicated. I think with that kind of show, with people dying just like that, I'm gonna cry really easily, I think. We'll see. I have already a lot of theories about this show. Too many, maybe. I have this theories about the fact that maybe the grandpa is involved into the game, you know. Maybe he's not the mastermind of all of that, but maybe he's connected to all of that because he was the first one to be picked and all of the other ones, they have financial debts, and that's why they are right there. Him, what he said about himself is the fact that he has this brain tumor, but it's not, depending on financial resources. And during the first game, he was the first one to play the game, he was enjoying it, and I don't know, maybe I watched also too many times the first movie, the first Saw, and maybe, spoiler about it, jump on the intro if you don't want to know what is happening on Saw. Maybe I appreciated too much the fact that, in fact, the mastermind was into the room since the beginning and we didn't know it. And maybe I'm putting that into Squid Game, and Jigsaw, he had an health issue and that's why he was doing all of that. So maybe I'm putting too much that thing into Squid Game. For me, really, Squid Game, it's Hunger Games with a bloody mood and a mastermind, a psychology like so. For now, I'm seeing it like that a little. So I have this theory about the grandpa, and I have other theories, a lot of them. I told you all of my theories during the review of the last episode, and like I said, because of the fact that I'm not sure that I'm gonna have all of the lights to finish this episode, I'm gonna stop right there my intro. Like usually, I'm gonna do something on my Patreon like I'm doing for all of the shows that I'm reacting to. On my Patreon, you have the episodes earlier during the day. For Squid Game, it's gonna be only earlier during the day, when, for some other shows, it's sometimes 2 weeks sooner that you can have the reaction videos. And it's gonna be with an extended or full reaction part. I think that for the episode 1, I'm gonna put the extended reaction part. For a 1 hour episode, extended reaction part, it's at least 10 minutes longer, if you can be interested like that, and also more time of screen right there. On my Patreon, check the description to have all of the informations. Let's go for this episode 2, I'm so excited about it. I think that it's gonna be kids game all along, we're gonna have only kids game. Oh yes! One other of my big theories is the fact that the voice that we heard at the beginning, I'm not sure that it's the main character, that we are following, who said that. I think that it's the mastermind who said it, that guy with the mask and all, or maybe the grandpa, if I'm continuing with that theory that maybe the grandpa is involved into all of that. Because that memory was in black and white, like it was an old one and all. I don't know. And maybe that game is gonna be the final one, because it's all about, triangle, square and all. That game that we saw at the beginning, and we can see on the face of the people who are organizing all of that, that they have triangle, square and also all is connected right there. And I'm not gonna tell you all of my theories. Go check my intro. No, my review of the last episode. Let's go. I have to stop talking. I'm gonna finish Into the Dark this episode. Oh, and I'm French, but I'm watching the episode into the original version for the audio and with English subtitles. Just a quick reminder of that. I'm so excited! It has been a long time that I was not so excited to discover a new show, a new universe. So yeah. Oh boy. Ah! I'm too excited. It's bad. Stop. He told you good advices. And the guy really saved you. Huh? Why? How many for the money? You signed the thing. You can't. And you're all full of debt. I'm not gonna trust you. You signed the thing. Only one has to win, or they can win as a group? You know the game that we saw at the beginning of the episode 1? It was a group who won. Don't move!
동의서 제1이야. 게임을 거부하는 참가자는
참가자 과반수가 동의를 하면 게임은 중단된다.
게임의 중단 여부를 투표하겠습니다. 첫 번째 게임에서 정립된 상금을 공개하겠습니다.
I said it. How many? You said that it was gonna increase with each game. It's gonna depend on how many of them are gonna die.
첫 게임에서 탈락한 참가자의 숫자 255명. 따라서 255억의 상금이 돼지전통에 적립되었습니다. 여러분께서 지금 게임을
How many it is in euro?
참가자 456명. 따라서 총 상금은 456억입니다.
I'm interested by the ones that were following, you know. Are they gonna vote for yes or no? The brother. You don't know him and his life right now. Don't judge him so fast. You were the one who cried so much, no?
여기서 희망이가 될지 나가면 아무것도 없어.
That's what I said during the first episode. They took desperate people. They don't have anything to lose, but some of them still has, you know. Like our guy, he has a daughter.
지금부터 민주적인 투표 절차를 방해하는 어떠한 행위도 용납하지 않겠습니다.
You're all for democracy by using a dictator game? Oh, you wanted it to stop. She wants it to continue. It's close. 201. One is gonna decide for everyone.
1번.
Grandpa, you're too important. He's gonna continue. He enjoyed the first game. I'm gonna be sorry if I'm suspecting you for no reason.
이번 게임은 여기서 중단하겠습니다.
I'm surprised.
하지만 저희는 여러분을 위한 기회의 문을 완전히 닫지 않겠습니다. 여러분의 다수가 게임의 재개를 원하시면 언제든 게임을 다시 시작하겠습니다.
I really missed you. I'm surprised. She's not gonna.
당신 풀어주면 돈 내놓으라고 나한테 뭐라고 할 거잖아. 어떻게 믿어?
아내가 우리 엄마 얼굴에 산다. 빨리 풀어줘.
He's not very nice with his mother, so. Ah!
아저씨 엄마 참 불쌍하다.
You don't know how much. You? I like you.
여기 어디예요?
Okay, you're with him. Ooh, you're in big trouble, you.
감사합니다.
You're so nice.
차와연 값도 없는데 집에 갈 돈 있냐고요? 돈 없어요. 걸어가요. 기다렸다가 버스 타고 가요. 안 돼요. 나 돈 없어요. 그럼 못 갚아요.
How can you be in debt that much if you don't accept money like that?
감사합니다. 감사합니다 사장님. 지금 사태 심각성.
I'm not gonna believe you.
이상한 사람들이 모르는 사람들 수백 명을 운동장에 모아놓고
200명이 넘게 그냥 막 쏴 죽였다니까요.
그 게임이 뭐라고요?
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
애들이 누가 갑자기 게임을 하면 수백억을 준다고 해서 따라갔더니 무궁화꽃이 피었습니다를 시키고 그리고 막 쏴 죽이더라. 그럼 나오고 싶다고 해서 나오게 되고 그 사람들 얼굴도 모르고 거기가 어딘지도 모르다 이거 맞죠?
이게 그놈들이 준비하니까 여기를 전화 먹어야 될 거 아니야.
It's not available, I think, that number anymore. Walking?
혹시 게임 같은 거 할 수 있습니까? 게임을 좀 하거든요.
They can, you know, I was trying to explain it into my head. I forgot you for some minutes. You're calling that number and you're gonna, in fact, call another number. No, it doesn't exist. It depends on who is calling, maybe.
돌아옵니다. 수고하십시오.
You know this thing? Or is she,
엄마!
is she okay? I'm worried for her now. Did they do something to... No, your mom is still there, okay. But he voted yes to continue the game. Oh, I don't know, maybe I'm going too far with this series.
누구 선물 얼마나 비싼 걸 산 거야? 여자 생겼냐?
그런 선물이 아니고 내 거 말고 어머니 것까지 다 들어갔어. 집이랑
You did?
엄마 가게까지 다.
네?
Oh no! Your mother.
당뇨입니다. 이 정도면 통증이 심했을 텐데 모르셨어요? 치료만 하면 되는 거죠.
Ah, she's not dead. Okay, she's not dead. I thought that she was already dead.
치료하면서 건강을 좀 지켜보시죠.
Don't leave.
엄마 어디 가? 일본 안 가잖아.
월세는 누가 낼기가? 그거 갖고 너 하루 비우면 2번은 갚아.
I'm sorry, I know that it's bad, the yellow light.
고마하고 싶다.
I can't do in another way.
힘들어가. 혼자 고마하고 싶다.
Your mom.
내가 또 가져올게. 내가 또 가져오면 될 거 아니야?
That's why you're gonna come back to the game.
아, 저 대한민국 경찰이에요.
I report him missing.
어머니 너무 걱정하지 마세요.
Someone that you know maybe was
형이 안 들어오면
into the game. They're dead. That's oh.
엄마 금방 데리고 온다며. 한 달만 있다가 엄마 오면 내가 같이 살 거라며. 애들이 다 거짓말이래. 나 여기서 못 간대. 누나가 나 여기다 버린 거래.
Oh, he's gonna make me cry.
아니다. 엄마 아버지 꼭 오실 거다.
Oh, if you know me, you know that I'm dealing really not well with brother sister relationship.
될 거다. 누나 알지? 누나 약속하면 꼭 지키는 거.
Okay, I said in intro that I didn't know if I was gonna get attached to the characters.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.